Hi guys, it's Chris and I'm back again with another video, and in today's episode we're gonna be building our own PABX system that can be installed in your home or if you have a small business. So last week I managed to play around with our PABX system and found out that the software we're using can be installed to any computer, laptops, as long as it runs with a Debian OS. Okay, so lucky for us, we have a Raspberry Pi. Okay, we're gonna be installing that program to this Raspberry Pi, and this one will control the entire PABX system. And also we're gonna be using a true IP phone. So this is a Yeeling P22P IP phone, and also we're gonna be installing an app, a PABX app that can be used to call this Yeeling IP phone and vice versa. And the good thing is it's totally free. No need to pay. Okay, so again, if you're interested, watch this video and I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Okay, so see you. Okay guys, let's start the project. So basically you need a Raspberry Pi, which is meron na ako. Next is you need an SD card. So plug mo lang yung SD card mo sa inyong computer. So basically if you have a USB to SD card adapter, you can use that. Next is go to the official page of the Raspberry Pi, which is this one, and then download the necessary software. Mine is Windows, so I click Windows. Then just install. Okay, once ma-install mo siya, just open it. Choose SD card. Choose the operating system. But first, we need to erase to make sure that yung ating SD card is completely wiped out. So erase. Choose SD card. Mine is 67.9, and then just click right, and then yes. Okay, it's done. Next is choose an operating system. Go back, go up. You will be greeted with two types of operating system. We have the light version and the full version. Full version meaning it is a complete desktop package. You just need a mouse, keyboard, and a monitor, and it's good to go. It's now a complete computer. Where the other is, the light version is a terminal-based mode, meaning wala siyang graphical user interface. Okay. So purely terminal mode, right? So that is this OS that we're gonna be using, because again, you don't need those resources for this particular project. Kasi once this is done, you just put the Raspberry Pi in a secure location, and that's it. Okay, so we're gonna be using a light version. Light version, just SD card, and then just click right, and then yes. Ito medyo matagal, around 5-10 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys. Okay, see ya. So okay guys, na-install na natin yung ating Raspberry Pi Lite OS sa ating SD card. But before natin i-plug or i-install si SD card sa ating Raspberry Pi, we need to do additional step, which is to activate the SSH features ng ating Raspberry Pi. So SSH meaning is a secure shell connection between a remote and host client. So basically magre-remote in tayo mamaya sa Raspberry Pi in order for us to install or control the Raspberry Pi itself. In order for us to do that, we need to open the SD card and create a new file called SSH. Okay. Take note, this is still a text document, as you can see, hindi yung kailangan natin. So go to view, option, view, uncheck design extension, apply. Okay. As you can see, it's still SSH, the text. Rename it and remove the txt, and then just click yes. Okay, so ang ginagawa nito is that when this one is loaded to the Raspberry Pi, it will scan its file system, and pag may nakita siyang SSH na file, it means to activate the SSH, and then we can remote in. Okay, so once this is done, close, and then eject your SD card, and then i-mount na natin yung SD card sa ating Raspberry Pi. Okay, so okay guys, na-mount ko na yung ating SD card sa ating Raspberry Pi. So next is we need to get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. Since connected na siya sa aking network, it must pick up a IP address. Okay, so again, you can use a program called IP Scanner and install it. But again, if you have access to your router, doon na lang. Okay, mine is 192.168.178.1. Okay, and then type in your password. So yours will be different, 0.1 or 0.254 or 1.1 or 1.254, and then go to your home network, and then network, And as you can see, there's a Raspberry Pi here. It's connected via 192.168.81. Okay. Next step is to remote in, but in order for us to remote in inside the Raspberry Pi, we need additional program called PuTTY or PuTTY. Download, get 64 version, and then install. Okay, so once installed, open natin siya. Set ko sa aking desktop for easy access. Just open it and then type in the password ng inyong Raspberry Pi 192.168.178.-81. Make sure it's port 22 and SSH. Click open. Click yes. Okay, so we are trying now to connect to that Raspberry Pi. So in every Raspberry Pi, the username would be Pi and the password is always Raspberry. Type lang kayo kahit wala kayo makita. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it. Setting keyboard, nope, appearance, change to 14. Okay, that's better. Okay, so once you've done that, for sure nandun ka na sa loob ng inyong Raspberry Pi. If you're not sure, just type ifconfig. Take note, if for any Linux or Mac distribution to get the IP configuration. It's 81. Okay, so clearly you're connected now to the Raspberry Pi. Next is we're gonna be updating the Raspberry Pi. So again, in every installation of Raspberry Pi, yun yung palang ginagawa. You can do that by simply sudo or super user do, meaning I'm the administrator, I'm the owner of this machine. Execute whatever script that I'll be typing. Sudo apt-get update to update the system, and then concatenate with sudo apt-get upgrade, and then add a flag called -y kasi throughout the upgrade process meron siyang tatanungin, do you want to upgrade? Yes. Do you want to install this? Yes. Instead of typing yes every time, that -y signifies that whatever is ano man yung decision na in every question, just say yes. Okay, click enter and that's it. So eto medyo matagal. I think it's around 5 minutes. Okay, it's done. So just to clear everything, and then we are now going to install the program. The PABX program that I'm talking about is a 3CX program. So just copy this script. Just add sudo bash d110.pa.zip to extract and then install. And just type enter. And that's it. That's how to install the 3CX in any Linux or Debian or Mac OS X. Okay, so 3CX, just click tab and then just click spacebar. And license agreement, just click tab, spacebar. And select how to run the tool, just click type 1 for the web browser. And it's done. Naka-install na siya. So, ganun lang kadali. So, take note of this IP address, http 192.168 port 81. Oops. Copy it. Control C. Oops, not you. Control C. Anyway, just open any browser. Okay, and then navigate to that address 192.168.178.81 port. Forgot the port. It's 5015 question mark v equals 2, and then click enter. Okay, once you're here, sabi dito is create an instant license key. I thought it was free. Sabi ko kanina free. Yes, it's free. Okay. So in order for you to install the configure the 3CX PABX system, you need a license key, but it's free. Okay, so you need to go to this site, new tab, and sign up. Okay, sign up. After you sign up, they will send you an email and instructions on how to do it. Oh, kasi meron na akong account, so I'll just log in. Update password. So sorry about that, guys. Nakalimutan ko yung password niya, but again, you need to sign up. Okay, as you can see under my product, it says 3CX standard and it's free. Okay, ito lang yung kailangan ko. Grab this one, just copy and go back, and then just paste, and then next, and then type a username. Topi. Oops. Or what they always call me, and then nominate a password. Just make it small. Okay, at least a character. Okay, and let's click save. We detected your public IP address. Yep, that's my public IP address. Type of public address. Yep, this one is dynamic. Kasi static if you have paid. Actually paid, but mine is dynamic. So most of you definitely dynamic. But if you're in a corporate world na gusto mong i-set up to sa inyong business, you need to buy your own static IP address. But for now, use dynamic. And then take note of this port. Next, and then yep, that's my local IP. And it's done. Okay, next is to determine yung extension length. I usually set to 4 number, much secure. And email address, and yeah, email address will do, topi@topi.com. Select country and time zone. Okay, so I'm in New Zealand, so click N, New Zealand. I think it's +12. Next, operator extension. Just type operator. And that's it. Operator@operator.com. Next. And for this one, kung gagamitin mo lang siya locally sa iyong network, you don't need to sign up for this. Pero kung gusto mong i-hook up yung existing telephone lines mo, you need to configure this. But again, we're not doing it, so let's click next. Standard prompt set. Yep. And you're done. Okay, so punta lang tayo sa IP address ng 192.168.178.81 port 001, I think. Oops, we need the HTTPS, don't forget. Let's click advance, proceed, and I think it's locale I made. And I'm in. Okay, so ito na yung ating dashboard. So we need to register our phone. So first I'll be registering my phone. Okay, so just go to extension, add extension. Anong gusto kong number? Way back when I was working in my previous company, ang number namin is 4112. So that is I hope. And then just type I hope at ihope.com and just click. Okay. Then open it one more time, and then from your mobile device, download the app called 3CX. Go to App Store, 3CX, install, and then scan that barcode. QR code, I should say. Okay, scanned, so click OK. As you can see, it's online. Okay, this is my phone. Now we're gonna be registering our PABX IP phone. Okay, in order for us to do that, go to extension, click add, let's say 4113, and this one is office. That's office. And then phone provisioning, and it's a Yeelink T22, and MAC address. Take note of the MAC address, you need that. Go back, it's 0015652 capital B 0 0A. Anyway, okay, just click okay, and just click okay, and go back to phone, add extension, office, and then click okay. Oops. Yeelink T22. I should have done this, not the other way around. So okay, now 1565 2 B 0A 14. Okay. Oh yeah, kasi na-install ko na kanina, so that should be fine. Click OK, and then we need to reset the phone. Okay, tingnan nyo na lang yung manuals ng inyong phone. Okay, and we're gonna be wait. It's resetting. Okay, so balikan natin yan mamaya. And also I need to register my Android phone. This is TCX. Okay, add 4114. It's Android. Okay, click Android, and 36. Scan QR code. Scan, and as you will see, dalawa na. So technically now these two phones can call each other. It's 4114. Oops. 114. Okay. Wait lang natin yung ating IP phone to boot up. Okay, it's all online. Okay, now let's try to call. This is the app. It's 4113. It works. Okay. Hello. Yep. Okay guys, so our project works. So you can do conference call, call forwarding, or even record a out of office notifications. So this one is a business grade or consumer grade PABX, so you can implement this if you have a small business or if you have a client that wants to install PABX system. This is a good project. Again, if you like this project, please do like, share, and subscribe, and hope to see you again next time.